Welcome to English Speaking Zone. I'm Lyla.
And I'm Mark. We are happy you are here.
Today's topic is very simple, very useful. My daily routine.
We talk about morning, afternoon, and night. Easy words, real life.
Mark, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Nice. I wake up at 6:30.
6:30. That is early.
Yes, I wake up early.
Friends, listen. I wake up. Wake up means open your eyes.
Yes, wake up. I wake up. You wake up.
Lyla, what do you do after you wake up?
After I wake up, I get out of bed.
Get out of bed. Good phrase.
I get out of bed, then I make my bed.
You make your bed. Very good habit.
Thank you. Then I brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth. Friends, listen. Brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth in the bathroom.
Bathroom. Easy word. After brushing your teeth, what do you do?
I wash my face.
Wash my face.
Yes, I wash my face with water.
Then
I take a shower.
take a shower. Nice and clean.
I take a shower every morning.
Every morning. That means all mornings.
After the shower, I get dressed.
Get dressed. I get dressed too.
I wear comfortable clothes.
Comfortable clothes. Good for the day. Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast at home.
What do you eat?
I eat bread and eggs.
Simple and healthy.
I drink tea.
I drink coffee.
Friends, listen. I eat breakfast. I drink tea.
Eat, drink. Very important words.
I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock.
I eat breakfast at 7:30.
After breakfast, I get ready for work.
Get ready. That means prepare.
Yes, I check my bag.
I check my phone.
Then I leave home.
Leave home. I leave home at 9.
I leave home at 8:30.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by bus.
By bus. I go by train. Lyla, what do you do at work?
I work at a desk.
A desk. You sit and work.
Yes, I check emails.
I talk to people.
At 12, I eat lunch.
Eat lunch. Good.
I eat lunch with my coworkers.
Co-workers are people at work.
I eat rice and vegetables.
I eat a sandwich.
After lunch, I work again.
Yes. Work again.
In the afternoon, I take a short break.
Short break. A little rest.
I drink water.
I stretch my body.
Then I continue working.
Continue means go on. What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5.
I finish at 6.
After work, I go home.
Go home. Simple and useful.
I feel tired.
Tired means you need rest.
In the evening, I cook dinner.
You cook. I like that.
I cook rice and soup.
I order food sometimes.
I eat dinner with my family.
Family time is nice.
We talk and laugh.
That sounds good.
What do you do after dinner?
I relax.
Relax. Very important.
I watch TV.
I listen to music.
Sometimes I read a book.
Sometimes I go for a walk.
Friends, listen. I relax. I watch TV.
What do you do at night?
I take a shower again.
Then
I brush my teeth.
brush teeth again. Very good.
I wear my pajamas.
Pajamas. Sleep clothes.
I go to bed at 10.
I go to bed at 11.
I sleep well.
Sleep well. Good night.
Now let's practice together.
Please listen and repeat.
I wake up at 7. Repeat. I wake up at 7.
I eat breakfast. Repeat. I eat breakfast.
I go to work. Repeat. I go to work.
I eat lunch. Repeat. I eat lunch.
I go home. Repeat. I go home.
I eat dinner. Repeat. I eat dinner.
I go to bed. Repeat. I go to bed.
Now some variations.
I wake up at 6. Repeat. I wake up at 6.
I wake up at 8. Repeat. I wake up at 8.
I eat breakfast at home. Repeat. I eat breakfast at home.
I eat breakfast outside. Repeat. I eat breakfast outside.
Your turn. Say it slowly.
You are doing great.
Let's review keywords.
Wake up.
Brush my teeth.
Eat breakfast.
Go to work.
Eat lunch.
Go home.
Eat dinner.
Go to bed.
These are daily routine words.
You can use them every day. Now we want to hear from you.
Please write in the comments.
What time do you wake up?
Write 1 or 2 sentences.
For example, I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast.
Simple is perfect
You did a great job today.
Be proud of yourself.
English takes time. You are learning step by step.
Please like this video.
Subscribe to English Speaking Zone
We learn English slowly.
with smiles.
See you next time.
Bye bye, my friend. Have a good day.